Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I have another package from Maniology, being an ambassador for them and demoing their products on my channel and having a code for a discount for you all earns me points and gets me into different levels. I'm not really sure how it works. But I have reached another level and got another package in the mail and I wanted to just share it with you. It came in a bubble mailer. And we're going to get that out of here. And then it came in a big plastic bag. Now, like I said, I don't know how this works. I greatly appreciate it. I have said before that if they ever send me anything that I don't need or I don't already have or something I don't see me using, I will be putting that stuff into a giveaway. So I have a giveaway bucket going all the time. So they sent me these pens because I had already done I don't know which colors I had already done, but some of these I'd already reached the prize point level, and so they just kind of caught me up on all those. The cute little pens, I just really think they're cute. You got that little teardrop looking one, a star, a flower, another flower. So these are really cute. I will figure out something cool to do with them. There's my paper. So this one, and my sticker. This one is the gold tier gift. So that is this one. So these other ones I had already earned at some point. So there we have that. They sent me 2 stamping plates. I'll open those here in just a second. And I believe this is like an apron or an apron. And I can just open it, and I love it already. I hadn't even got it out of the package, but it's got Maniology Ambassador written on it. Cotton stumping. Sorry. Are you done? Thank you. So it's got a little neck loop that's adjustable, and it's got paint splatter all over it, which totally makes sense. And it's got one big nice pocket on the front of it. So that is really, really cool. I am sure to use that. And then now let's get these stamping plates. So they come in the nice protective cards with the little instruction on the back. Oh, cool. This one is Maniology M074, and it's got the little like cutouts and the words, and let me change some lighting so that this is just not as horrible as it was looking. But it's got like, all these cool cactuses and the street and the sun. And I've seen other people using this one, so I'm really excited. But I love that it's got the bubble cutouts to where you can put these little phrases up in it. They say things like free hugs, don't be a prick, on point. Some of them I might not ever use. Looking sharp, I like that one. So that is a really cute plate. I'll try to use that really soon for you. And then this one is Maniology M073, and it's got more cactuses. It looks like you could do layering cactuses, maybe. And it's got like little face features like eyes and all kinds of stuff you can add to your cacti, and some ties. So this one's really, really cute. I'm going to have to really study it so I can figure it out and play with it. But you could add a balloon to it or a sun over it and a beehive and an umbrella. But I just think that that is just adorable. And it's got different pots down here that you could put, the cactus in. That's really cute. So I want to thank you all for using my code and getting me, these goodies. And I just, I don't make videos to get free stuff. I think it's a really nice thing that these companies are, giving us things and with us promoting their products. And I don't promote things that I don't like. And I've always loved Maniology Bundle Monster. They were one of the first companies that I ever bought from, and I bought from them for years before I became anybody on their radar and was able to, get a coupon code and get recognition for using their products. And you know, it's just being an ambassador for them has just been really such fun. So I do want to thank you all for using my code and helping me get all these cool things, and I will definitely do some manicures and share. Okay, so my battery cut me off. Isn't that just so typical? So I want to thank you all. I appreciate every one of you watching, leaving comments, suggesting things, asking for requests, and just overall supporting me and my little baby channel here, because I really enjoy doing nail art, and having you all to share it with and to, you know, use each other as sounding boards is just amazing to me, because I don't have like a whole bunch of real people in my real life every day that do that for me, and you guys make this so fulfilling for me. I just cannot thank you enough. I love and appreciate every one of you. That is it for today, so until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bless you, Cotton. Bye.